today, and so I'm back. I took a little bit of a break at the holidays and wanted some time to go ahead and think about what I wanted to do with the channel for 2025, and definitely feel like I'm going to be heading toward the indie makeup and that sort of area, and the drugstore makeup. I think those are the two areas that are really booming right now for makeup. I also want to go ahead and make a couple of technical changes as well. Do have all the Valentine's Day stuff up already, and so I thought I'd go ahead and get started. Basically new products right now. I did pick up the L'Oreal Lumi, and this is the tint that they came out with. I have mine in shade 100. It's a cool shade, and I did go ahead and pair that with the L'Oreal True Match today as far as my concealer. I think it came out pretty well, and I've been wearing the Lumi for about a week now, and it has light coverage, but I'm finding that it stays. If you put a powder on top of it, it definitely stays, and so I'm really enjoying the new tint. And then I did go ahead and use the, let's see, Better Than Before as far as my blush today, and so that's this one, and it's very much a wine red. And so I think love these. They are picked up a whole bunch of these on the NYX website during the holidays, and they had everything on sale. It was good sale. And let's see, what else did I go ahead and do? I did use the MAC today, and this is going to be the Light Radiant Rosy as far as my bronzer. And I also picked up a couple of things from Glamlite, and I got the Ghost Face as far as the highlighter, and so that's a highlighter that I have on, and it's working out real well. And I always love their highlighters, and so yeah, I'm really glad that I went ahead and picked this up. Let's see, as far as powder, that's actually an oldie but a goodie, the Catrice Sungasm. And then as far as the lips, I did go ahead and use this one, the Sandworms from NYX, the Butter Gloss, and then I mixed it with the Adept Cosmetics gloss, and it came out really shiny. It's really pretty, like it a lot. As far as what I did for the eyes, and that is, again, a new palette to me. It's actually been out for a little while, but it's a Unity palette by Adept. And so I've been really enjoying this to get a little bit of color going, in the winter, in the dead of winter. So today I did go ahead and use this one both on the crease and as my eyeliner. And then I used this one on the lid. I went ahead and put this on top of that. Put some of the purple right on the outside corner, and then some of the pink right from here to here. And I think that's all that I did as far as the eyes. It's a really gorgeous palette, and Adept always does amazing quality. And you can go ahead and pick these up over on their website. And love the packaging on this one. It just, yeah, it's good packaging, and really, really enjoy the Adept products. And the Essence Make Me Brow, got that one going as well. I did go ahead and use a combination of the Call Me Queen from Essence and the Volume Stylist as far as the mascara goes, so that's what I did go ahead and use there. A lot of new products for me, and a couple of Bath and Body Works. And yeah, I picked up some stuff on their semi-annual sale, and I did get some of the Emily in Paris body sprays, and this one is Paris Amour, and I like it a lot. It has, let's see, it's French tulips, apple blossoms, sparkling pink champagne, sandalwood, and creamy musk. And this one, love it. And this is the Paris Amour shade. And then the Lavendar Allure is this one. It has Lavender de Provence, jasmine, and vanilla. And this one's okay. It isn't my favorite lavender spray. I have other ones that I like better, but it's okay. And then the one that I just thought was the best is the Emily in Paris, Champagne in Paris. And this one, it's wonderful. Champagne Spritz, Elderberry Fizz, and Lily of the Valley. And this one I could just put on for days. It has some sweetness to it, but it also has just an amazing smell. It's so good. Definitely would highly recommend this one. It's if you like a champagne smell, if you like the toast scent, the champagne toast, you would probably really like this one. And so I had a good time at their semi-annual sale. They always have sales, so always go onto their website and see if you can find a sale. I think these run usually about $18 separately, but if you catch a sale, they're going to run for somewhere between $3.75 to $5 each. So it's definitely worth finding one of their sales, and they list them on their website. And I think that's the whole video for today, so I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.